Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the window 11 hidden features you didn't know existed. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you top 5 window 11 hidden features that can enhance your experience on Windows. So the first thing I'm going to show you in this video is the God mode folder. So if you want to enhance your experience in Windows, you might love to apply this method, which is the God mode folder. Just create a folder named the God mode, then input this prompt right here, this highlighted prompt, which is the code to the folder. Just create the folder, then you select all these prompts right here, highlight it, then copy it. Just gonna highlight it right now. Then you highlight it, then you copy it. Then once you create the folder, the name for the folder, you name this folder, the particular folder you want to create the God mode folder for. Just paste this command, then you have access to all the control panel settings in one place, and that is the first hidden features that you don't know that it exists on Windows 11. Then the other one is scrolling in active window. To enable these features, to scroll through in active windows without clicking on them, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, tap on mouse, then tap on scroll in active window when hovering over them. Once you do that, then you can now turn on the active window. Another hidden features on Windows 11 is restore right. So click on options, get the hold right click menu back by adding an entry to the registry via the command line. And the other hidden feature is customize quick settings. Click on the gear icon in the system tree to customize the quick settings like the Wi-Fi, the airplane mode, and the more. You can also use the hidden features in your Xbox game bar. Use these features for screen recording performances, monitoring, and more, even if you don't have an Xbox. So you can also use this, and these are the hidden features in Windows 11 for now. There are more hidden features that doesn't know it exists, but these are the most enhanced features and can also enhance your experience in using Windows. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for me. Thank you.